Hi friends, welcome to the accountancy class. Today in this module we are going to study how to prepare a single or simple column cash book. Simple column cash book records only cash transactions. It does not keep any record about banking transaction and cash discount. Simple cash book is also known as single column cash book. Cash account is not prepared when simple cash book is prepared by the firm. It records systematically all cash payments and receipts. This cash book is used when all the receipts and payments are in cash only. The format of simple cash book shows it has been divided into two parts. The left hand side is technically known as debit side, which represents all the cash receipts, and right hand side is credit side, which shows all the cash payments. It is prepared like a cash account in ledger. All the cash receipts are entered in the amount column on debit side, and all cash payments are appeared on the credit side of the amount column. Cash book is closed and balanced at the end of the month. The debit side of the cash book records the name of the person from whom payment has been received, the name of the heads of the income against whom the payment has been received, then name of the assets against whom the payment has been received, then sales account in case of cash sales and miscellaneous receipts account. Credit side records the name of the person to whom the payment has been paid, the name of the head of the expenditure for which payment has been made, the name of the assets which have been purchased, and purchase account in case of cash purchases, and the last item is other payments like rent paid, discount paid, commission paid, trade expenses paid, etc. Now we are going to solve one problem. Prepare single column cash book. On 1st January 2012, purchased goods for cash 10,000. Purchased goods is an expense for the company, payment of the company. So we want to credit that account. The next transaction on January 6th, sold goods for cash. Sold goods for cash is an inflow of cash, so we want to debit that account. The third transaction is rent paid 1000. Rent paid is an expense for the company, so enter the transaction on the credit side. Now we are going to solve this problem. First we want to draw the format of single cash book. Total columns required are 8 columns. First column date, second column particulars, third column LF column, then amount column, then date column, particulars column, LF column and amount column. Then first transaction is goods purchased for cash. This is an expense for the company, so we want to record this transaction on the credit side as by purchases 10,000. The next transaction, sold goods. Sold goods is an income or receipts for the company, so debit side to sales account with an amount of 25,000. The next transaction on January 8th, rent paid. Rent paid is an expense for the company, so we want to credit that account as by rent paid by rent account 1000. Then find out the total of both sides. Then on the debit side, there is a total of 25,000. On the credit side, there is a total of 11,000. So next step is to calculate the closing balance. The closing balance shows on the credit side with an amount of 14,000. This is the closing balance of simple column cash book on 31st January 2012. This is the steps required for preparing single column cash book. Thank you.